Hey ladies, I have a really great gift idea for the holidays, especially if you're into making your own products or making your own gifts. So what I found on Amazon, let me turn this down so you can see, are these jars or little roller balls that actually have really amazing gemstones in them. So not only do they have gemstones in them, but the roller ball itself is a gemstone. For instance, this is red jasper. Red jasper enhances creativity and intuition. It drives away negative environmental energy and helps in the overcoming of influences like electromagnetic or geographical stress. Bloodstone minimizes, it's also known as bloodstone, aggressiveness, impatience, and irritability. Who doesn't need all that? Okay. And, look at the roller ball. The roller ball is the jasper, red jasper as well. So all I simply do, and you can fill these with scents as well. So instead of using fragrance, which is loaded with toxins and chemicals, you can fill these with natural perfumes or natural scents. And I have these, all of these recipes are available in my Bold Beauty community. And so then I'm using my NoTox BeauTV Face Serum made with paracress. So it's going to relax smooth muscle instead of paralyzing smooth muscle. It also has a bunch of other herbs and essential oils in it that increase collagen, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, increase elastin, but also improves hydration. And there's a few ingredients in here that mimic retin A. So you're going to get all the benefits, the increased cell turnover, but you're not going to get the dryness. So after you put the oil in, so whether this would be a scent that you put on your face, or on your wrist, or if you apply this as an oil. Now this one is an oil that I will apply to my face. So this is what it looks like. It's all infused. It's amazing. And then throughout the day, especially on the areas where you have fine lines and wrinkles that you want to target, it's simply just massaging this oil on in those areas, and then you can massage it in. If you've got the 11s, doing a little massage with the 11s as well. The roller ball, of course, is going to be doing a lot of the massaging and breaking up any kind of scar tissue that might be in that area, stimulating blood flow, collagen, and elastin. And you can simply just put it all over your face. It's an amazing midday treatment. I love carrying this with me. Smells amazing. So I did the NoTox BeauTV Face Serum available in the Bold Beauty community. This recipe, super easy to make. Great gift idea. I mean, who wouldn't want this as a gift for the holidays? All right, I'm Trina Felber. I'm the mother of clean beauty, and I'm here to help you detox your personal care products to detox not just your body and your health, but to get better results on the way you look and the way you feel.